So in this video, you're going to learn how to set up a fraction or a mixed number in using the Go Formative keypad. So as well as your keyboard. All right, so there's two ways you can enter a fraction. One of the ways you can enter a fraction is you can just use the backslash key on your laptop. And it is located next to the shift button, and it has a question mark on it as well. So if I want to enter the fraction 2/3, I would enter the numerator 2, then the backslash button, and you can see it gives you a horizontal rather than a diagonal fraction bar, which is fabulous, and then the 3, 2/3. So that's using the backslash button. The other option you have is to click the keypad, and when you click the keypad, your menu comes up. And if you look here, this is the fraction button right here next to the word sin, which is actually in math pronounced sign. So it's between the multiplication symbol and the math term sign. And you click it, and it puts a fraction up there, and you can put in the numerator, then click down to the denominator and put a 3. Now, if you wanted to enter something after that, let's say it was 2/3, your answer was 2/3 minus 1/3. You can't just go minus like that for 1/3 because it keeps your cursor in the bottom. You have to click next to the fraction. So you want to move that cursor from next to the 3 to next to the fraction, and then you can continue to enter. And if I wanted to enter 1/3, I could click 1 and then 3. So it's very important that you understand how to enter expressions that have fractions as well as fractions themselves. Another thing you can do with both the backslash and with the keypad here, I'll get out of this, we'll use the backslash, is you can enter mixed numbers. To enter a mixed number, you would go 3, and then you would need to space and put in 2 backslash 3. And that will give you your mixed number. Now you do have a space in here, so sometimes your teacher might tell you to use the other method to avoid putting an additional space in your problem. But that's one way to enter a mixed number. The other way is to click your keypad again, put your whole number in first. So if it's 3 3/4, I would put in the whole number first. Well, let's make it 5 3/4. 5, I'd put in the whole number first. Then I would hit the fraction button. Notice it does not put a space between your whole number and your fraction. More than likely, that's the way your teacher is going to want you to enter your mixed numbers, without a space. So this would be the ideal way to do it, 5 3/4. Again, if I wanted to continue and I wanted to multiply that by something, and you could use the asterisk for like 5 3/4 times 7 1/3. You would go 5 3/4. You could use the asterisk to get the dot times 7 1/3, and I would just click that and put in my 1/3. So it's whole number followed by the fraction bar and then your fraction. The asterisk can be used for multiplication. That's usually preferred in Math 6. You also have the X symbol down here, which is an option, but I think when you're in Math 6, we like seeing you use that dot and the asterisk on your, to get the asterisk, you would hit Shift 8 on your keypad on your laptop, and that will give you the dot. They don't have a dot option in here, so we can always get the dot using the asterisk. So that's how you enter fractions and mixed numbers, using both the keypad here or the backslash symbol as another option. The backslash symbol for mixed numbers is not the ideal though. So good luck on your assignment.